you guys know you're on private property and you shouldn't be parked here? Okay. Are you guys sneaking around or what are you doing? You look like you're actually harassing in the neighborhood.
No, we're going door to door informing residents of the disease.
I have a question. I watched you guys doing this and you would skip houses. Why are you not doing every house?
As of right now, the protocol is not to go door to door. It's more like listening and seeing what we hear that way.
Okay, well, by my house, 4 people got it, and I watched you guys go down maybe without going slowly, straight down the street to the other houses, and then just sat there for like 20 minutes.
Well, we have to do a couple paperwork issues once we deal with someone. Once we make contact with someone,
yeah,
then we issue a report and we try to do it right in front of their house so we don't mix up reports when we go to a different house.
Why are you going onto people's private property?
Well,
No, yeah, I have it on video because you came onto my private property.
Okay, well, if it's private property, there is a statute, a California statute that says we are allowed to enter.
Even if I have signs out that says it doesn't matter if you're government officials?
Well, we're not really entering. We try and leave a poster at the gate.
You went to the try to go to my backyard.
Well, if it was us.
It wasn't you guys.
Okay.
It might have been you.
Well, if it was another team, then maybe they didn't do it as we should, but
okay.
It's protocol that we...
So what can I do to make a complaint about you guys not doing it by protocol?
You can probably call into the PIO number if you want.
Well, they didn't give me any of that.
It's 909-731-6367.
Okay, I got you on record. I didn't put your face on anything, so don't worry. I don't know what you guys are doing out here. Like,
no, we just drive and try to observe birds, see if there's any, or hear birds.
Yeah.
And if we do, we get out and we go ahead
is this a hotspot? Is this a kill zone?
No, it's not.
Okay.
This is a completely clean zone, but we need to make sure there's no infection.
So what, you might start like testing,
Yeah,
but not killing?
We're a diagnostic team.
Because a lot of, you've seen the videos, they're testing and killing at the same time, so that's not happening here.
No, that's not
okay.
happening in this. No, this
okay.
is
Everybody is scared to leave their houses. You guys,
yeah.
it's really stressful.
I understand.
Okay.
There are some zones that are, because of the amount of infection there is, they have become mandatory euthanasia zones, and once that happens, they will test them too. But we're just...
So say this house tested positive, how far, like a mile radius?
I wouldn't be able to tell you the exact distance, the exact ratio that they do right there, but it's up to a team of EPIs to decide.
But you might want to call that number.
I will.
They can give you that information.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm Allie. I'm sure you guys see me all over the Facebook, the crazy blue-haired lady.
Let me explain about Newcastle disease. Newcastle disease is a respiratory disease. It's diarrhea. And what happens is, the most important thing you can do right now is not bring birds onto your property.
Right.
Let this thing clear out.
Yeah.
Once you do that, second thing is, if you do go and visit somebody that has birds, please don't go back.
Right.
Go to your birds. What you want to do is come back to your house, take your shoes, have them washed, put a disinfectant if possible. I always recommend a 25% Clorox water solution. Also, wash your clothes, take a shower, then go visit your birds.
Okay.
So it's critical that you maintain strict biosecurity.
Okay.
If somebody wants to come visit you that has birds, don't let them go see your birds.
All right. I don't know anybody that has chickens personally. That's like, I don't have any friends that I visit or anything that has birds. But what was I gonna ask you? Are they not waiting 72 hours to go to another property because it's already a mandatory kill, so it's like doesn't really matter?
Well, let me explain to you what happens is if you do go onto an infected premise, you're required to be off, no go to any premises for 72 hours. That is correct.
Okay.
Now, what you have to understand is there's only one team in this zone. I am the person. This person is in this zone today. Okay. We do not go to other zones.
I'm talking about Nuevo because I've been following all them from house to house, and so it's just really confusing.
Right. I can't talk to you.
Yeah, that's fine.
But I'm just saying, like this zone here,
we're trying to keep it very
we're the team.
Quarantine safe.
Right. Like you see, this is a clean zone, so this team does not go to Nuevo or anything.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
So We're not going door to door. If we do testing, we do the testing, but we're in this zone, and this is a clean zone.
Okay.
If there are birds that come up, if there are birds that show sickness when I'm there. Now, the owner, we ask the owner, are they sick? If they're sick, I send in another team. If I'm present and I go on the property, and for some reason I see a sick bird, then I will go ahead and call my supervisor, and I'm removed out of this zone. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that's the protocol.
I'm not sure if you can answer this question or not, but have you seen any sick birds around here?
I've only been here a day.
Okay.
I can't tell.
Okay.
I know this, that I'm not aware of any.
Clean so far.
It's clean so far.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Keep it that way.
Yes, we do. So, letting all my neighbors know, we've been sending out flyers, making sure their biosecurity is good too, because we don't want this.
I totally agree.
Okay.
I think that is what you need to do. Biosecurity is critical. We need, and it's not just for 30 days. This could be a long time. We're over a year now. I mean, we're in a year now.
Yeah.
And we're fine. You know, it looks like we may be making some headway. But we're working our tails off.
I have one more question you might be able to answer. Yesterday in Nuevo, when they were killing her chickens, but they didn't kill her peacocks.
I cannot answer that.
Okay.
I'm not aware of what's going on.
Okay. That seems a little off though, right? Because I have heard lots of peacocks getting killed.
I don't
It's
know.
weird that killing all her
There
chickens and
must be a
turkeys.
reason. There must be a reason.
I think it's because she gave consent. That was their agreement to let the peacocks live. They were showbirds.
I don't want to.
Okay.
I don't want to tell you something I don't know. You might want to call that number.
Oh, well, I'll ask. Yeah, I'm gonna ask them all the same thing I'm asking you. All right. Do you know some people that have showbirds can get special permits to not?
Why don't you call that number?
Okay.
They can get you.